indulge in a lavish journey through the enchanting world of Manhattan penthouses as we unveil not just one, but 9 breathtaking living room interior designs. Set against the backdrop of the city skyline, each living room is a masterpiece that epitomizes opulence and refinement. Luxurious spaces, elegant white color tones take center stage, transforming each living room into a haven of sophistication. As we immerse ourselves in the opulent world of Manhattan's penthouse living, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more luxurious design inspirations. From plush sofas that beckon you to unwind, to intricate detailing that exudes exclusivity, every element has been carefully chosen to reflect the essence of upscale living. The opulent textures and materials used create an atmosphere that is both awe-inspiring and inviting. Symphony of design and luxury unfolds before your eyes, celebrating the cosmopolitan allure of the city where opulence and comfort intertwine seamlessly.